Hello everybody, it is phonics time again. And if you're watching this video, it means that you have already finished group 1 and group 2 of the phonics sounds. So well done you. Today, star number 1, we're going to recap on the sounds that we already know. Number 2, we're going to play What Am I Talking About? Number 3, it'll be your turn to sound it out. And lastly, number 4, we're going to practice some of the letters that we already know. Let's get going. This is group 1. You already know all of these sounds. Very quickly, pause the video so that you can see if you can say all of these sounds on your own. Off you go. I hope that you paused the video and that you were able to go through all of the sounds from group 1. If you got a bit stuck, then maybe pause the video again quickly now so that you can have another go. Let's move on to group 2. Have a look, see if you can pause the video and tell me or whoever's there all of the sounds that you know from group 2. Fantastic. If you need to pause again and just whiz back through them one more time, then you can do that now. All right, so let's get going. We're going to go through all of the sounds that we know from groups 1 and 2. Try and say the sound before I give you the answer. Let's start with this one. Ah. Say it out loud. Mmm. Try and beat me. What about this one? Eh. Eh. What sound can you see? S. Good. R. This is quite a new one. D. Well done. K. Mmm. Good. Okay, just a quick word for the grown-ups about the sounds that we've just been through. Make sure when you say the sound that you try and only say the sound and not add another sound onto the end. So instead of duh and tuh, try and say d and t. And instead of sa and na, try and say s and n. It's tricky, but it will really help with sounding out. So let's carry on. Now we're going to play What Am I Talking About? First, you need to listen to me sounding out. Then you need to say what words it is I'm saying. Once you've had a go at hearing the word and saying the word, it's going to be your turn to sound it out yourself. Let's get going. Okay, what am I talking about? K, ah, p. K, ah, p. Have you pointed to the picture? It's cap. It's your turn now to sound out the word cap. If you need to, you can point to the letter sounds down here to help you, or just do it by using your own thinking brain. Pause the video and sound out cap. I hope you sounded out k, ah, p. Maybe try one more time with me. Ready? K, ah, p. Brilliant. Let's do the next one. What am I talking about? S, it, pictures. We've got sit, neck, cap, nest, and red. So which one am I saying? It. Say the word you think it is, or use your sign. Sit. It's your turn to sound out sit. Use the letters to help you if you would like. Off you go. Great. Did you say it? Let's do the next one. What am I talking about? D. Did you hear it? Ed. Well done if you're pointing to red. Now it's your turn to sound it out. Off you go. Super. Okay, the next one goes like this. What am I talking about? Point to the picture you think. Of course it's neck. Have a look at how the word is written. I can see a caterpillar k and a kicking one, but I'm only going to say the sound once because these k sounds are special friends. Your turn to sound out neck. Off you go. Super. Let's do the last one. What am I talking about? Let's check. Nest. Yes, nest. Now you sound out nest. Off you go. Great. Grown-ups, this is a really good time for you also to practice your sounding out. So instead of saying n, s, t, make sure you're saying st. Well done, everyone. That was really super sounding out. Now it's your turn to have a go at reading. Which word can you see and which picture does it match? Pause the video here or use the picture on Class Dojo to sound out the words and match it to the picture. Okay, we've got one more job for today. We need to practice s, I, and e. Let's go back to s, because we need to practice the shape. We always start here and go all the way down. S. Can you have a go at doing it just like me? Here we go. Maybe use your magic finger and trace down. Let's try the next one. I. We must start at the top, come down with a tail and a dot. Watch me. We don't need a great big football at the top, just a dot. And E. We start in the middle, go out and all the way over. today, with practicing s, I and E, we're practicing some small letters. All of these sounds are the same height. Your job today is to use your phonics book, or if you don't have a phonics book, to ask a grown-up to make some lines for you on a page so that you can try practicing s, I and E, sitting on the line and all the same height. Have a go. Make sure today that you have played What Am I Talking About, that you have sounded out and read the words, and that you have practiced our letters S, I and E. Well done everyone, super phonics. I can't wait to see your jobs on Class Dojo.